Namaste. Welcome to Ekam Swasti. The door of grace from Ekam is open to all of you. Ekam Swasti means it is a sacred time when you'll be receiving the powerful blessing from Ekam Kshetra for your heartfelt intentions to be fulfilled. It could be for your health, wealth, relationship, for success, for clearing obstacles in your life. Ekam Swasti is a sacred gift given to all of you from the compassion of our Guru, Shri Pritaji and Shri Krishnaji. That happened to a Sikha after attending Ekam Enlightenment Festival. Please remember, when we open our heart and listen to experience of grace, grace will flow into our life very easily. So, please listen to this experience now. Namaste. After attending Ekam Enlightenment Festival, I am able to connect to others' feeling their emotion hurts. Here, I could like to share my own experience with you all today. My homemade son met with an accident on last Saturday night. As she was sharing this incident with me, so painfully from my eyes, a drop of tears shed down. Whereas I could not resist myself from it, I was able to connect to her feeling and pain what exactly she was suffering at. At that moment, I was able to experience full of compassion on her. This is my beautiful experience I had after attending Ekam Enlightenment Festival. Thank you Hiranyagarbha, Ekam. Thanks to both Shri Pritaji and Shri Krishnaji. It's a nice experience. Now it is a sacred time. Let us move into Ekam Swasti ceremony. From a beautiful inner state, let us begin with Arati and Pranam.
मुक्तीश्वराय विद्महे हिरण्यगर्भाय धीमहि तन्नो शुभङ्कर प्रचोदयात्। मुक्तीश्वराय विद्महे हिरण्यगर्भाय धीमहि तन्नो शुभङ्कर प्रचोदयात्। मुक्तीश्वराय विद्महे हिरण्यगर्भाय धीमहि तन्नो शुभङ्कर प्रचोदयात्।
Receive the blessings from the Arati. You may now offer your pranams to the Hiranyagarbha. Now, from a beautiful inner state of calm and faith, let us connect to Hiranyagarbha, who is embodiment of universal intelligence. Join your palms in Namaskara Mudra. Close your eyes. Visualize and feel Hiranyagarbha in your heart. See your personal divine in Hiranyagarbha. Feel the presence of your personal divine. From this beautiful state of connection, let us now move into prayer. Think of one person for whom you want the blessing from the Hiranyagarbha. It could be you. It could be your loved ones. Think of that person. Feel that person. Clearly see what that person wants. Feel that universal intelligence is already there and working the miracle. Stay in this dharana for a few minutes. You may now gently open your eyes. Now is the time. We are going to receive the powerful blessing from the Hiranyagarbha. If you are seeking blessing for health, take a glass of water. If you are seeking blessing for wealth, take a coin. If you are seeking any other blessings, take a sacred thread. Now, cover your right palm on it. Now we are going to chant the mantra, Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. When we chant this mantra, visualize and feel from Hiranyagarbha golden light entering into the sacred water or thread or coin. Let us begin now. Close your eyes. Connect to Hiranyagarbha and invoke the powerful blessings.
हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। 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 हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः
You may now slowly set aside the sanctified healing water or coin or thread. Now, we will move into another prayer. From all over the world, we receive so many prayer requests. The prayer request for their friends, for their neighbors, for their loved ones. In YouTube also we are receiving so many prayer requests. Now we are going to pray for those people. Feel to whom we are going to pray now. They are your own loved ones. They are your own family members. With that feeling, let us move into prayer now. Close your eyes. Join your palms in Namaskara Mudra. Connect to Hiranyagarbha. Pray and ask that Hiranyagarbha should bless them and work the miracle they need.
Hamsa soham ekam 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 Hamsa soham ekam
Now is the time for sacred promise. If it comes to your heart, you could make a sacred promise for the blessing you are receiving from Ekam Kshetra, that you will visit to Ekam Kshetra with your family members, or you will do seva for Ekam. Make this sacred promise now. Now, let us move into beautiful state of gratitude. express your heartfelt gratitude to Ekam Kshetra, Shri Hiranyagarbha, and our Guru, Shri Preeta ji and Shri Krishna ji, for these wonderful blessings.
Shiva Shambho, Shiva Shiva Shambho. Bo Shambho, Shiva Shambho Swayambho. 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 Gangadhara Shankara Karunakara.
You may now offer your pranams to the Hiranyagarbha. See the Hiranyagarbha in your heart as your friend, in your eyebrow center as your Guru, on the crown of your head as your divine, and offer your pranams to the Hiranyagarbha.
Shambho, Shiva Shambho Swayambho. Shambho, Shiva Shambho Swayambho. Shiva Shambho Swayambho.
Have a miraculous day. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Namaste.
निर्गुण परब्रह्म स्वरूपा गम गम भूता